The new release of FloWax 2.3 wax deposition modelling software, part of the Maximus 7.2 integrated production modelling technology, contains several changes and new functionalities that extend its capabilities and flexibility to model wax deposition processes. An increase in the pressure drop between the inlet and outlet of the flow line is an indicator of wax deposit buildup in producing assets. Since operators often control pressure at the outlet, the buildup often increases the pressure at the inlet as the deposit progressively obstructs the flow. To better represent this case, you can now simulate wax deposition at fixed outlet pressure. This causes the inlet pressure to increase due to wax buildup as you observe in the field. The results of the simulation show the pressure increasing at the inlet, while the outlet pressure stays constant and the wax deposit increases over time. You can simulate the effect of the pig running along the pipeline when the deposit reaches the pigging criteria. For example, when you reach a certain maximum thickness or pressure drop due to wax buildup, the pig removes most of the deposit and leaves behind the amount of wax you specify from each run. In this way, the simulation realistically mimics the effect of a periodic pigging and more accurately estimates the necessary frequency for cleaning the pipeline, therefore optimizing design and operating costs. In making decisions on modifying operating conditions, such as pressure or flow rate settings, or during a life of field simulation, you may want to evaluate the cumulative effect of wax deposit across the different cases. To model this effect, you can pass the deposit formed in the previous run to the following simulation, therefore allowing a progressive build-up of the wax deposit. The final condition of each run is therefore used as the starting condition of the following one. This creates the incremental build-up of the wax deposit. Running sensitivity studies is part of the normal work routine of engineers in several disciplines. Wax deposition studies may require information that is unavailable from lab tests, like wax porosity or diffusion coefficient and mass transfer. You may need to consider the effect of shear ablation as the flow rate increases. The new version of FloWax software allows you to set up sensitivity studies for wax properties. This is like what you can do with other model specifications, like flow rate or pipe insulation. The setup follows the same scheme as the general sensitivity dialog. It applies to the specifications of the wax deposition model only. The powerful Maximus multi-thread technology can rapidly run all the cases in parallel. Comparison of results is immediately available. You can quickly assess and mitigate the effects of data uncertainty or estimate the potential impact of wax inhibitor injection. More informed design and operating choices are possible due to a deeper and wider understanding of the asset and the risks associated with wax deposition.